stuff like that just happened to this Islamic center is not what we believe in. It's not what anybody that's here represents, believes in, and this audience and gathering like this really highlights how we live together and work together.
Who assaulted this house of worship, whoever he is, whatever his background and belief, is someone who assaulted all of our faith traditions. You cannot sanction this kind of behavior in any faith. As a matter of fact, there is a Muslim proverb that says, God has made one blood of the human family.
Thank you, Adil. As Captain Rana said just before, as he pointed out so well, right, Potasnik, there's a Jewish school right across the street. The Jewish community, the Muslim community, and all communities truly live side by side here. You see the leaders here, you see the words that are spoken, and it's not just words, it's action. It's action of coming here on a Sunday, it's action for being here and standing up in front of the cameras and saying this is wrong. It's going back to your communities and saying that this is wrong and teaching about peace and teaching about unity. And as Chief Maggi, the Chief of Community Affairs for the Police Department, always says, be there for the community, show the community that we're one. The unity with the community is so important. And thank you, Adil, for putting this together. Of course, Reverend Terry Lee, of course, you always.
I'm the president of the Sikh Culture Society. We represent 10,000 Arab membership over there by the Sikh community. And I'm very happy I see all my friends, the religious faith leaders, because we are always together. I want to give the strong message. When I heard this kind of incident, this is my neighborhood. I'm 40 years over here in this block. When I heard this kind of message that never happened before anywhere over here, I get shocked. We want to give the message to whoever they did it, regardless what religion you are, where you come from, we respect each and every one, and we are all united.
As a fellow New Yorker, because what New Yorkers do is that they stand up for each other. No matter what your background, where you came from, what religion you profess, or what race or creed you are. This is what we do, is we stand up for each other. Because an attack on your house of worship is an attack on my house.
And, with the Muslim community, to let those who are involved in this, hate speech, what they write on the wall, that we condemn it and that we will stand together. And in America, when Jews and Gentiles, Greek and Muslim and barbarians and rich and poor, when we all come together and stand.
This peace continue to reign over our community forever and forever. God bless. Thank you.